Hi guys, welcome back to Cinema Goggles. This is Vishali.
I'm Vish.
And I'm Reena.
So today we're gonna watch a video and it's called Kim Taehyung's Habits. So apparently it's gonna show us some of the habits
Of Kim Taehyung. Taehyung, how do we pronounce that?
See, it's just that this video got us recommended yesterday and we are going to react it today because we found it so interesting. I mean, it is just so new.
Oh, it
It's
got
like
recommended
off-topic
yesterday.
completely. Yeah. Come on, Mudkar.
So I thought it was long due for some reason.
No, I was thinking to react on Jimin's habit, but then somebody recommended V's habit, and then I got fascinated about that idea.
Oh, okay.
So therefore, I suggested you V's habit. Yeah.
Okay. I'm just expecting it to be funny.
I hope.
Yeah.
Okay, I hope it's funny.
I'm also going to watch this video for the first time.
Oh, okay.
So I'm excited.
Yeah, me too. I love V, so I'm really excited. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Get in the video.
Hello everyone. We are here to finish off the last episode of this series and discuss our cute little honey bear's habits.
It's Google Assistant voice.
Without further ado,
It's like a
let's get
fashion
started.
these days.
I don't like
Habit
this.
number 1. Boxy smile.
That's not his habit, that's his feature. Cute feature.
What's boxes man?
Like the one he has like this. When he smiles it goes like a box.
That's not box.
Look, the upper lips. That's called a boxy smile. But that's not his habit, that's his feature.
Which is scared.
Yeah, it's such a cute thing. It's so funny how he looks so innocent and like that in these videos, and then on stage he's like.
It's just a cringe compilation of his laugh.
With his laugh and smile.
Oh man.
Show us his habits, not his smile.
Habit number
Okay,
2.
finally.
Hugging something to help him fall asleep.
Aww.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Jungkook. Poor Jungkook. Gross. Like Adam is like, why do you keep hugging
Number
me?
3. Kissing the camera.
Oh.
that
Why do you have to make that sound?
is some
After kissing the camera.
What's with the ah? Poor Jimin is like, what the hell
how
are
does
they
anyone
doing?
do that?
Jimin is not. Jimin is like, what the hell are they doing? They're practically.
They can scare a child doing that.
The lipstick. No, you're ruining the lens.
He's drunk.
No. Yeah, he's clearly
Number
drunk.
4. Giving us his signature V.
Yeah, he always like.
Yeah, he gave that pose.
sticking out his tongue.
Yeah, like you. Oh my god.
I do it a lot.
Yeah. See how it looks?
Yeah.
It doesn't look weird normally when we are seeing this.
Compiled.
Imagine we seeing this on his YouTube and he'll be like, what the fuck?
Habit number 6.
Patanga.
Fake crying.
Whose laugh was that? Oh my god, his voice.
I think I know the reason behind this. Maybe because he always wanted to be an actor and he loved
Yeah.
acting. It's because of that.
Joe was like, leave me alone.
You're such a bad actor.
He's actually a really good actor. He's just doing it for fun. I think.
Yeah, you should watch Wara. The serial in which he acted.
아니면 내일 아침에 그냥 씻을 거야.
The staff is like, that's embarrassing.
That's really bad acting. Come on, Veer.
Jin.
Okay.
Mommy.
Okay.
Habit number 7. Tapping on the cook's chin.
Cool.
That's a weird habit.
He's doing it like he's his puppy. Don't. Why?
Why is he always
Like J-Hope is right by his side and he still goes for jungle.
Habit number 8 is loud.
Oh yeah, I've heard this.
No one sneezes like
I'm at a
that.
loss of words. I sneeze for you.
Habit number 9. Eating in pouts.
Pout.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But I guess all
He's
people
such a
eat
cute
like
kid.
this.
No, not like this.
Then how?
Like normally.
The seed is on his face.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe it's like natural. His face becomes like this while eating naturally.
Yeah.
Oh
And
my
people
god, a
think.
video just became one eating video.
The captions are.
이렇게 생각보다 같은 거 사가지고 이 컬러를 이렇게 거.
Yummy! It's been so long since I had pizza.
Don't eat pizza in front of us in lockdown when we are in lockdown.
It looks like a pig.
It looks like a pig.
Yeah.
Who said that?
Hot dog is also
While eating, I mean.
Why is he vlogging while eating? What was that?
Acting cute / baby voice / sound effects.
Slash.
다음에 월드는 코.
What?
자, 빠.
Oh man.
Doesn't sound like a baby with his deep ass voice.
여러분 감사합니다.
In your
What does that mean?
sound effects.
No, I think that's a word. Sound effects.
They said it's habit. This habit is sound effects and baby faces and
Wearing a denim like hairband just like yours.
사랑해요.
Ah.
bye bye.
Habit number 11. Being his quirky self.
Stop. Nice.
Ah, what was that? What did he eat?
어서와. 영상 처음이지?
Oh, that Iron Man mask. I want that.
로봇. 2014년 7월 12일 브이로그 끝.
No heart. Cold, cold, cold.
Oh no! And then- That's weird.
Okay, drink it
Oh
from the
my
cup.
god, these
Ah! Lick it
Oh,
from the cup.
no one can drink it now.
Yeah, now no one wants
Yeah. Face of regret.
Play BTS. Play
There we go. Those are a few of these many little habits that we'll be discussing today. I really hope you liked this video and don't forget to always show this honey bear lots of love. I really enjoyed making these videos and I'm glad that all of you guys enjoyed watching them as well. I'm excited for the new series that I've got planned. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Thank you so much again for watching and see you next week. Bye.
Bye. Bye bye.
So,
Do you have anything to say about that?
yeah, I don't like the Google voice.
Google voice? You
Yeah.
don't?
I don't like
found it
it.
irritating?
Yeah.
I just found it
yeah,
kind
it
of.
was distracting.
Yeah, that was weird.
Yeah, for such long videos, it's quite. Yeah. Some of them were like habits. Some of them was like his boxy smile. That's not his habit. That's just the way his face is,
Yeah, but
Yeah.
and like the way he
Yeah,
eats.
but he just gave me a very childlike, like he should be protected at all costs.
Yeah,
He was like
yeah.
that.
He's such a cutie.
yeah, I
I
was.
felt like a big sister while watching that. I don't know why.
Oh my god, look at that Jungkook's face on that clip. It was really funny.
Yeah, it was funny.
I
It
wish
was-
there were more habits which were actually habits.
It was funny. It was cute.
Yeah, it
That's
was really
it.
cute.
While watching the video, I don't know, I just get this big sister vibes. Because एक तो इसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे चीजें था like we sneezing loudly, that's just like my brother do something, and I was just getting as if I have to protect it and it's my brother. So he just gave me that vibe that he's just like 5 or a teenager or something that you have to just protect him. So I just loved it, and I don't know why I'm missing V now. I just want to hug him.
Yeah. And tell him to stop.
Ooh, stop.
I mean, RM was so mad at him. Why do you keep hugging me at night? And he was like sort of embarrassed when he was saying that. Really? I was? That was really cute.
Cute guy.
Yeah, really cute guy. I wonder if he behaves like this, how Jungkook behaves, because he's even younger than him.
Yeah.
And he looks like... Yeah. But I bet he's not...
Shy vibes.
Yeah, exactly. He looks shy.
But he's definitely not shy among his own band.
Yeah, obviously. So that's also interesting to watch. Maybe you can watch that too. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. We really liked it. It was really cute.
Funny.
Thank you for and funny. Thank you for recommending this. And please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and comment down below more recommendations. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.